Hi, boys and girls. So today for math, you guys did such an awesome job yesterday adding 0. Today we're not going to be adding 0. You guys are just going to be doing a math journal. So what you're going to need is your math folder, okay? So grab your math folder. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need your glue, and you're going to need a pencil, okay? So those are the things you're going to need. Remember, if you ever you need to stop the video, just stop it and then continue it, okay? So I'm going to pull out my math journal. So remember, the math journal is the one that is black and white, and it says math journal on it. And then I'm going to pull out my purple math worksheets, okay? So I'm going to pull out my math worksheets, and I'm going to do the one right in the front that says math stories, okay? So I'm going to pull that one off. Remember, we just pull it off. Okay, and we're going to be pulling this one here where it says math stories, and it has dragonflies and a sky. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to first cut off the heading, okay? You guys know that. But before we cut off the heading, we need to make sure that we are opening up to a clean page. Thank you for my friends who did their shapes graph yesterday. You're going to go right to the next one and open up to that clean page. And we're going to cut off the heading first of the math story. Okay, so remember, if you ever need to pause in order to do it, just go ahead and pause, but you guys should be following me right now. Got my glue, so I'm going to open it up, glue it down. So math story is going to go at the tippy top of my math journal. Make sure it's nicely glued down. We don't want it coming up. Then I'm going to cut this here. So don't cut the dragonflies yet. We're going to cut around the dragonflies first. Okay, so cut around the dragonflies first. Put the dragonflies just to the side because you are going to need those. All right. And we're cutting around the sky and the words. All right, perfect. So after you have it just like this, we're going to glue that down. I know it has lines here, boys and girls, but don't cut those lines. You don't need to. So keep these together. So you're going to put an X. Remember, X is enough. We don't have to go all over. We just go one corner to the next corner and glue down. Okay. Now, boys and girls, it's time for us to make a story. Okay. So it says, read it with me. Get your pointer finger and say, I see. Okay, so I see blank bugs in the sky. Well, I want you to write this number. I see 6 bugs in the sky. So you're going to write the number 6. I see 6 bugs in the sky. Blank more come. We're going to say 3 more come. How many? So now, boys and girls, what I want you to do is we need to write the number sentence down here, okay? So we know that one part is 6. 6 plus, because we're adding, there is more. 6 plus 3 bugs is the same as, and some of us might be able to figure this out. But if you don't, that's okay. Instead of drawing circles, boys and girls, we're going to draw our bugs. We're going to cut them out. Okay, so we're going to first cut out our 6 bugs. So make sure you cut out 6 bugs first. So first cut them all out. Make sure you keep them in a safe space right on top of your journal. If one falls, make sure you pick it up. I'm going to cut, and I'm going to glue down 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are my first 6 that were there in the sky. Now I need to add 3 more. So I'm going to add the 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Uh-oh, there's an extra 1. We're just going to put that one in the trash. So there should be 3 more that come in. So 1, 2, and 3. So you see those 3 coming in? They came in. So now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 9. Okay? Let me go ahead and I'm going to use a black marker. You don't have to, or a black crayon. I'm going to do that so that you guys can see what I wrote here. Okay, sometimes it can get hard to see with pencil, so I'm going to just go over it really quickly with my marker. So there you go. So I should see, it should say, I see 6 bugs in the sky. 3 more come. How many? So and then I'm going to write the 2 numbers in. I write my number sentence. If you can't find the sum out using your fingers, that's okay. You can use the bugs to do it. But everyone should have the bugs glued on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. All together, there are 9 bugs. So this I need a picture of on Seesaw, just like we do in class. Okay, boys and girls? Awesome job. I can't wait to see your work.